Is this your workout routine, or is you're just? Well, okay, we didn't expect that. Is this your workout routine, or is this how you meet the opposite sex? Okay, and then you're gone.
See this? Yo, you see that? You see that?
No, I can't see it. See what? Oh, you're talking about the bulging muscle coming out of your jacket.
Absolutely, absolutely. Look at your boy.
You're looking good, boy.
Which way look
No,
better?
you really are. You're looking really good. You're looking thinner too, I think, or is that the layering of the outfit?
You freaking Jeff. You wanna see this? You wanna see freaking this? Yo, you wanna see this? You wanna? Absolutely.
Listen, I'm gonna need you to speak louder if you can, because I'm not hearing you as loud as you could be, and I don't want all of your intelligent words and your wisdom to fall on the ground and be left on the ground and kicked on the ground and again left on the ground. So what do we got now?
So I'm setting my camera. I'm setting this up.
Yeah, now I can hear you a little thicker. So let's just get started here. We always want to start at the beginning, because I just looked your bio up and it said, and I quote, known for being Mr. Pregnant. And seriously, and then you're gone. There is